Garbage Family Show!
Hey, Garbage Family Show friends! Winter time is a lot of fun. Gracie and I love to play in the snow.
Yeah, our favorite thing to do is sled riding. And we have a sled riding blooper at the end of this video.
These people and cars don't need a sled to slide. Does it snow where you live? If so, what do you do when it snows?
Look, it's literally sliding.
Do you make snow angels?
Making a snowman is a lot of fun. Like our snowman, we named him Chills McNills. Or maybe a snow fort?
Yeah, making forts and having snowball fights is a blast. Or maybe you like knocking down huge icicles.
Yeah, and then you can pretend they're supercharged ion cannons, taking out ancient snow dinosaurs. Run in! Run, T-Rex! Take the crack!
Back to look at the snow falling one more time. Look at the snowplow down below. He's trying his best to keep the streets safe.
It snows so hard here, it reminded me of the movie Frozen.
Just picked up.
And then suddenly, the snow stopped falling, and both the sun and the garbage man came out. Let's follow him.
Thanks for watching Garbage Family Show. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you!
Here's another dumpster. The garbage is frozen in the bin. He can't get it out. It's still in there. Big shout out to Cage Baines. He turns 2 on February 17th. He watches Garbage Family Show every day from Gold Coast, Australia. Hey Cage, does it snow in Australia where you're at?
And I want to give a shout out to Aiden Fitzpatrick. He just turned 3 years old and watches our channel every day.
He's putting his forks down. Time for another pickup. There it goes. Whoa, that was loud. Did you see the tire chains? They're for driving in the snow. That was awesome. Yeah.
Thanks for watching Garbage Family Show, friends. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and pound that subscribe button. Thank you. Hi everybody, I want to give a shout out to Nick Savage. Thanks for liking Garbage Family Show.
I want to give a shout out to Matthew McDonald. He has a YouTube channel called Refuge Trucks. Matthew lives in Kelowna, Canada. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Gracie. Let's look inside this frozen dumpster. It's kind of gross. That's a lot of snow on those cans.
Here's a sled riding blooper we told you about. Look out!
I did not expect that.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you were.
Are you okay?
I think this isn't
I
good.
can do it with my eyes and I can do my butt.
You ran me over. I did not expect that.
Thanks for watching the Garbage Family Show, friends. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out, so thank you.